Namaste sir, this is a quick tutorial of the dropbacks, that specific point in the asana when you are about to touch the floor behind you with your hands. So it has something to do with a gentle Uddiyana Bandha, drawing in at that particular point, and you're going to clip and then just a gentle kumbhaka, like a little breath retention, like you want to hang it and clip it and then touch your hands to the ground behind you. Alright, let's do that. Alright, listen. Alright. So don't collapse the knees, keep your thighs drawing up and back, yes. And of course there will be some bend in the knee just to allow the mobility in the hips, but you don't want to collapse it. Right? Now let's try. Breathe in, open, exhale it. Alright, breathe in, rise. Alright, don't fight the arms, draw the thighs back, pull this space in and up, rise it up. Alright, exhale, breathe in, lift the space forward and up. Alright, keep your thighs gently drawing back. Alright, pull this space inward. Alright, keep going. Alright, and then when you feel your upper back is suspending beautifully behind you, extend the arms, but don't fight it. Alright, breathing in. Alright, this is the point. Alright, a gentle Uddiyana Bandha, clip up, a gentle kumbhaka, and lightly place your hands to the ground behind you. Alright, and then exhale, loosen a bit, and then repeat the process. Inhale, a light clip up breath, and then you come back up. Alright, let's do that again. Yeah, let me angle so you can see. Draw it inward, breathing in, hang and suspend. Good, let it go a bit. Breathing in, extend the arms, but don't fight it. Inhale, draw the space in and up, like a gentle suction breath, and hands to the ground behind you. Exhale, inhale, come back up. Keep the thighs drawing up, pull the space in, and then come back. One last, breathe in, open. Good, let it hang, 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 hang. Exhale, inhale. Good, hands to the ground behind you. Inhale, rise it up, and come back up to your setup position. Alright, so to summarize, that specific point when you're about to touch the floor behind you, draw this space in and up, let it hang a bit, and then lightly touch the ground behind you, and then the return is the same, and you come back up to your standing position. So there, all throughout the process, that specific point where you're about to touch the floor, that is when the body gets really heavy and then tight. You're going to use the bandhas inside to support your entry, your holding, all the way to exiting the asanas. So yes, drop backs, practice it safely.